But it's crazy because last year around about like September, I was on like 700 followers. Lo and behold, now I'm on 19.9 doing a 20k photo shoot. Girl, yes, anything is possible.
I'm feeling high.
Dumelang my YouTube family. I hope le sharpo. Guys, I'm so excited. I was uploading a video on my Instagram, and then I'm on 19.8k followers. Guys, and I figured, you know what, I'm gonna do a 20k, like a thank you 20k photo shoot at home, you know, for an Instagram post. So now I only have about 90 minutes to get all of this thing done. Give a photo, give a blind, give a ready, give a relevant. So the dye eki verekisang ke ya blondie ya inecto, platinum bold, I think platinum blonde ya inecto, but I'm going for a ginger color because my hair is black. It doesn't turn out like blonde, obviously. I mean, really, I need to be practical, and I'm going for like a pink and a little bit of gold theme. So all the stuff that I got, kishiane kaya pepu, kaya checkers, kaya crazy store, to get the things I need for the video, I mean for the little photo shoot, and it cost me less than 200. So this is like a DIY photo shoot for 200 rand at home. I want to do my makeup, and then I also want to decorate the cake that I bought because I'm going to make it like pretty cute. So yeah. Okay, Banyaning, I got this cake from Checkers for 75 rand, and I got this nice lettering from Crazy Store for 15 rand a letter, I mean a number, but I didn't like the color. I wanted it to be pink, so I was trying to use my eyeshadow to color it pink. Firstly, I was failing, but then I went to go get my other eyeshadow and start all over, and when I did that, it kind of worked. I liked the pink that I got. So yeah, I wanted the idea of having this nice pretty pink cake that looks like properly done. So there I got the numbers right, and then I used the meringues that I got some pink meringue for about 50 rand or so, and I was just trying to get a nice little decoration for the cake that works. Just make it look like custom made cake and not so much like a store-bought cake. And then I moved my cake to a platter that I once bought some time ago called Pep Home. I used that platter actually a few times, and that platter was like 24 rand. But yeah, that's how the cake looks. Nice, cute to do. Then we're gonna go to makeup. I am pacing through this like a crazy person. Like, yo, Ngosiam, I wanna start with my makeup. I don't know what I'm gonna do. I think I'm gonna do a pink look. That's basically all I know right now. What products I can show. If I don't talk, I think the 20 minutes will be fine. But if I don't think I'll make it in 20 minutes. Okay, calm down. Makeup, I was trying to go really fast, right? So for the foundation, Essence, and then for the concealers, I used my Mr. Price concealers, and then the eyeshadow that I used was the eyeshadow Yako Hermosa Flow. I am absolutely loving that pink eyeshadow. It's the same eyeshadow I used for my cake. I so wish I was actually going as fast as this video is going because I was running out of time, but I wanted something nice, cute, and very natural, so that's what I went for. But I wanted the pink to pop from my eyeshadows, honey. Even my blush, the blush I was actually from Mr. Price, but I think this Hermosa Flow palette actually made the look be the look. Vela Hunnies. One thing I always struggle with, I get a makeup, the eyelash, but I would literally pay somebody to show me how to do eyelashes at this point. Like, I can have a nice look, mara eyelash ebe intrapa ebe dilo disatlhakane, but yeah. So you'll see there's the blush. I'm putting it on, and then the highlight and contour palette Yako Hermosa Floor. I also use that, and then Kileshi, but Rizamile. Wait, I feel like Rizamile. I was very happy with the look. So now we're gonna go to the deco setup. So for the deco setup, I decided to use my bedroom. I bought these balloons go Pep Home for 20 Rand actually, and then I had this fur little carpet thing already, so I didn't have to pay additional monies for that. I wanted to set up my cake, so I used my DIY tray from Mr. Price Home. I already had this, you've seen it on my other videos. So I laid my cake there. I was going for a bit of like a wild white gold and pink kind of look. My glasses, I wasn't sure between the Pep Home glass and the Checkers glass, so I tried both of them. Actually, I'm going to be doing a video on some very nice Checkers glasses, because Checkers is the girl when it comes to champagne glasses. You guys just don't know. So I was not sure, so I tried both of them, but I don't know. Hey, when I put the Pep Home glass, so the Pep Home glass is the one I'm putting on now, it just didn't connect, so I decided to pick the Checkers glass instead. So that's where the champompo is actually going to go, honeys. Well, at least I didn't buy champompo. I actually bought some white sparkling wine from Woolworths for 47 Rand. So yeah, I put a little bit of a lip gloss there just for aesthetics, a nice little pink flower. I was really going for the pink look. Oh my gosh, this looks so adorable. So this is the final setup. Ignore the mess on the side. I'm gonna clean up afterwards. I'm so excited. Like, oh my gosh, this is the look I'm wearing, and you'll see I've got on like a white shirt. So I'm just going to use the white shirt. I'm going to be looking cute. I realized I don't have earrings, guys. My lashes are looking a little bit janky. Anyway, that won't stop us from reaching 20k before the end of this week. When I last checked, I'm on 19.9. So I'm going to post the reel later today, and chances I'm going to go to 20 from that reel. But I am so grateful for just the growth. It is absolutely amazing. I never thought it would happen. I mean, my YouTube has been going so slow. I thought my Instagram is probably going to follow the same thing. But it's crazy because last year around about like September, I was on like 700 followers. Lo and behold, now I'm on 19.9 doing a 20k photo shoot. Girl, yes! Anything is possible. And that gives me hope that my YouTube will follow suit. So yes, it's a Photoshoot. It's a little bit crazy how I'm gonna do it, right? This is my tripod. I'm gonna put my phone here, and I'm gonna use my tripod for extra light. I won't be able to actually show you because I use my phone to do my videos, and I also use my phone to do my photos. But I'll see what plan I can make to just give you a snapshot of how it looks. So these are the final shots I ended up taking. I used the lipstick to draw 20k on my champompo glass. I absolutely enjoyed this entire process, guys. I hope this actually inspires you to just celebrate the small stuff, like celebrate your little wins. As conceited as they may sound to other people, have fun with your life. You don't have to spend 5k for a photo shoot. You can do it at home, enjoy it, and don't have to break the bank. So these are the final shots that I ended up taking and posting. I hope you were inspired to do your own shoot. Thank you so much. Okay, bye.